In this video, we're traveling from Da Nang to Hue on one of the best roads in all of Vietnam, the QL14, 270 kilometers, and this is a massive day for us, but it turns out to be, honestly, one of the best road trips I've ever had in Vietnam. We'll see you in Hue. How do I say it?
Hue.
Hue. Hue.
If we make it.
So basically, we're at Mega Market, about to grab some snacks, some energy drinks. And what time are we going to leave? 7:30?
10:30.
10:30. 3 hours late. But that's actually pretty good for us. I thought we'd be like 5 hours late. We're heading into the mountains on a 2-day trip. And hopefully, I don't break down this time. Did I just hear you say you're working on your dad bod?
Working on my dad bod, but good.
You're not a dad yet.
I know, yeah. But he said his nose is running, and I said, go catch him. He's like, you're already working on your dad bod.
Hey. Cover my face with my hoodie on this cold road, trying to break the bank till my pockets getting more growth. I know you see me coming up where these goals got me shows in the Gold Coast, but we don't post those. A young man living out his dream and then he goes home to pops having problems with his heart, and like he knows those moments that we got left for getting numbered. But he tells his son the world is in your hands, so you know he has to go pro.
Oh my God, today it's 30 degrees and it's actually sunny. It's incredibly warm. It doesn't even feel like it's going to rain today, which is just a miracle. Here we go. Middle of nowhere. Cheers.
Cheers.
Let me just chuck my cider in the ice. We're actually standing in the middle of the road and the country's it's all over your hand. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that.
Nice to out.
Okay, amazing. Cheers.
Cheers.
Beers.
Beers. Cheers, big ears.
Shouldn't drink and drive. Kids, don't try this at home. But we're not advocating drinking and driving, but one doesn't count.
Yeah, exactly. Well, riding a scooter doesn't count.
Puppy. Whoa, 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 whoa. So far into the bush, and we've just found this incredible spot. This is so cool.
I think from here we go down and we get low and we get actually close to it, and then there's like one of those metal bridges that crosses over and we can cross onto that point then. And I think that's close to where there's a point of where you can actually walk down to the river if you wanted. It's all big rocks. You know, like the giant fucking boulder rocks like that we saw on the way here?
Yeah.
There's like those again.
So what's crazy is that Paul said that as we go along past the halfway point, every sort of kilometer it gets slightly better and better and better and better. And it sounded a little bit hyperbolic. He's exaggerating, but he wasn't. He wasn't at all. Look at this. I'm going to show you this freaking bridge. This bridge is amazing. Let's cross it. Ugh. Ooh. Oh my God. How cool is this? Oh my God. That is so cool. Moo. That was loud as. Hello, moo.
Is it moving or is it just me? Oh, it is moving, yeah.
You like it? Alright, I'm gonna go fly the drone and you guys can be my superstars.
Can I be your superstar for a minute?
What?
Can I?
Be you my superstar?
Always.
Oh my God. This is what I'm dealing with.
That
is what I'm dealing with.
he likes it.
It's not true at all. Let me just fly the drone and let's see how good this looks from above. Constantly having to pull over every 5 minutes because the views and the little townships just gets better and better. We're never going to make it today. Like, it's just in the base of the mountains, a small town on the river. All these beautiful pine trees. So cool. You like? How are you feeling about the ride so far? Is it everything that this guy promised?
More than that.
More than that?
Yeah.
Legit, it does.
What's your last name?
Colin.
Colin.
Colin, yeah.
They call
Colin.
it Coquelin.
Paul, it gets better, Colin! Honestly, the thing is, I thought he was full of crap, but actually, it continues to improve. It continues to impress. I don't know if this is showing up on camera. I am so far up this mountain at 1400 meters and it's just rainforest. It's so cool because the road is steaming. It's these sandflies, but look at this. How cool is that? But the guys must be like 5 minutes behind me, so I'm gonna wait here. We're losing daylight so fast and we really want to get over this mountain pass before it gets dark. It's already getting pretty sketchy. There's water everywhere, but mud, gravel. It's getting quite tricky and stressful to ride, but fingers crossed we get across. Absolute scenes here. Look at this.
Video
Look at that.
And then just take a screenshot.
I don't know how high we are. We've got to be about 1500 meters probably. How high is that mountain range over there, you reckon? That's so big.
pretty fucking high.
1500 meters?
No, it's way higher than that.
You think so?
We're already at over 1,000.
No, we're not over.
Here we are.
Really?
Yeah, we're
Ask-
over 1,000.
Ask Google.
That's at least 2,000.
This is insane. Honestly, I'll catch up with you in HUE because I think that's about it for today. I can't film anymore. Not at night anyway. Should we get, oh, let's get a photo and a,
I'm already getting
hang on.
video and photo.
We'll see you in HUE. How do I say it?
Hue.
HUE.
Way.
HUE. HUE.
Hue, like as in like saying Hue, but Hue.
Paul speaks perfect
Oh,
Vietnamese.
that's
Perfect,
good.
well,
Yeah, I
The
think it's cool.
video.
perfect Vietnamese?
Not perfect Vietnamese, but I can speak it well enough that people understand me.
Damn impressive.
Look. This is good.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll see you in.
And if we make it.
I mean, it's almost 11 p.m. and we're arriving and we need to get some food. We're gonna grab some pizza or burgers or something and then try and find accommodation. It's been a very, very long day. But what I love is how there's so many people still just down by the river, just enjoying life. It's very, very nice. Even though it's 11 p.m, everyone's still out on the river. We've got a group practicing some awesome dance routine by a temple, and we have some competitive badminton. Absolutely shattered. Pizza, sleep. Pizza and sleep, in that order.
What the?
Sunstroke, sore neck, what have you got?
I got everything.
Ask how you are, and you just have to say you're fine, and you're not really fine. Just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Full-blown AIDS?
Yes.
That's the worst part of it.
Yes.
So what's the number? We've been on the road for
Almost
11 hours.
Yeah.
11 hours.
It's really tired.
Yeah.
Oh, that'll take it out of you, like. And Dave Chappelle, is it Rick James or who is he when he's like, I just broke my back. The doctor says I need a backiotomy.